Hi everyone. This is the Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic, taken to new heights by Southeast Custom Cycles, and reborn as Faith. A true hot rod softail, built with a Level 3 big bore motor displacing 124 cubic inches, producing an incredible 140 pound-feet of torque and 130 horsepower. It's got torque for days down low, making more torque and horsepower than a Screamin Eagle 131. Drop the clutch, and hold on. At the heart of Faith is the SECC Level 3 Custom M8 engine package. An AIM performance clutch spring set handles the power, while a Trask Assault Air cleaner maximizes airflow. The motor is tuned to perfection with TTS Mastertune software, and monitored by an A1 cycles oil pressure gauge kit. The distinctive Pineapple Express custom cut fins give the cylinders a signature style, while a Thunderheader X-Series exhaust with heat shields delivers a raw, aggressive sound. Professionally dyno tuned, this setup guarantees both peak power and reliability. The look is pure Art Deco inspiration. A 1933 VLD replica paint scheme finished in billiard blue, accented with silver and black, makes Faith stand apart. The full chassis is powder-coated in gloss black, and RT Performance stretched front and rear fenders with a low-profile tag mount complete the custom stance. Suspension and chassis upgrades ensure performance matches the style. A Legends Air mono rear air ride with adjustable compression, paired with an RT Performance front air ride, offers full adaptability on the road. An AF Custom Softail center stand and HHI rake triple tree set add stability and handling, supported by extended brake and clutch lines. The bike rolls on an SMT machining Rever and Limit custom wheel set, with matching rotors and pulley. Wrapped in Shinko SR 777 tires for grip and durability. The rider's comfort is handled by a Lapera kickflip custom seat, pleated with grip material, giving both style and security under hard acceleration. Controls and ergonomics are tailored for a commanding ride. Roland Sands Design's Nostalgia Series shorty risers support RT Performance 14-inch ape hanger handlebars, paired with Vance custom grips. Kuryakyn and teardrop low-profile mirrors and a Performance Machine Merc contrast cut shifter linkage add the finishing touches. Lighting and details complete the transformation. Batad rear taillights with run-turn brake controller, Drag Specialties low-profile front turn signals. Harley-Davidson billet fork and suspension covers, and a flush mount low-profile gas cap kit deliver clean, modern function with custom style. This is Faith, the Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic transformed by Southeast Custom Cycles. A bike that blends timeless design, modern engineering, and unstoppable torque. Built for those who believe in true performance.
Everyone would expect, had an army behind her, got it from the opposite.
Thanks for watching.